how to add already installed game to Epic Games. So first, what you want to do is just simply open up Epic Games Launcher, then go to Library. Once you're here, just simply hover to a game that you have installed. So let's say I have Chess Ultra installed on my Epic Games. Then just simply click on the three dot icon, then click on Manage, and click on the Open Install Location button right here or icon. And this will basically go to the folder where you have your games installed. So just simply click on the Epic Games folder or wherever folder you've installed your Epic Games. And as you can see, this is the directory where my games are installed, and I have a copy of a game that's Gambit right here. So if I want to install it, and of course I'll just use my copy, which is right here on my drive. As you can see, I have the copy. And as you can see here on the launcher, it is not currently installed. If I want to install it or add it to my Epic Games launcher, you just simply need to click on install first here on the Epic Games. So just click on install. And when it's installing, just simply click on it again to pause it. And once it's paused like that, you simply need to exit out of Epic Games. So click on exit right here. And also exit out of the system tree here at the bottom. So click on exit. Once you're exit out, just simply go to the Epic Games folder. And as you can see, it made a folder for that game. What you want to do now is simply delete this game and copy the game that you have and make sure that it has the same name as the one that was added by Epic Games. So mine already has the same name, it just has the copy word. So I'm just going to paste it. As you can see, it has the same name. I'm just going to remove the copy word so that it will actually be the same. So remove that. Once that's done, open up Epic Games Launcher again. Wait for it to load. Once Epic Games is open, just go to Library. Then go to that Gambit or the game that you want to add. And just click on install again. Click on install. As you can see, instead of installing, it's just verified the game. And now I have the game and it has been added to my Epic Games launcher. And that's how I basically add an installed game to Epic Games.